Hey guys, it's Karen again from Karen Norwood Travel, and we're going to just go do a fun little day today at Smiley's Flea Market. It's close by here, and it's just a huge flea market where you have regular vendors, and then you have people who want to just do like a yard sale and things like that. But I want to show you around and see. It's a beautiful sunny day, and I thought it would be a fun day to go do that. So let's get started. How big it was. It's just a big old flea market. They also have one in North Carolina. It's open most weekends, and you can sell here, I mean, if you're local, or just come and find just about anything. I mean, they have all kinds of food. They have just about any kind of things that you can buy. It's just a really interesting and unique place. But we're gonna try and see if we can find a little local restaurant next. I'm not quite sure, but we're gonna give it a try. So Grandma's Empanadas was fantastic. We ended up getting, my husband got like a bean one and a spicy beef, as well as an apple empanada. And then I ended up getting a breakfast and a beef empanada, and then I got the blueberry one. They are fantastic. I will go ahead and warn you, if you go during the week at lunchtime, it is super busy. It's right across from Robins Air Force Base, so it's really busy. Reasonable pricing and just a really neat place. Really hope you like this little short video that I made. Please like and subscribe, and I will keep making these fun videos for you. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.